Hi everyone, early morning in the US, 7:15 a.m. So that's more than 2 hours before US markets open the trading week. This is a Tuesday. Why am I here with you so early? Earnings from Temu's parent company, that's Pinnadoo, or the way we know it in trading, PDD. So PDD reported earnings this morning. It was a couple of hours ago. We'll check out the price action in a bit. As you know, or some of you know, I'm getting this information from the NASDAQ website. Why am I using the NASDAQ website? Because it aligns, as opposed to Yahoo Finance, for example, the companies according to their market cap, which means the most important traded companies are on top. You can see before dropping nearly 17%, the market cap of PDD was 170 billion, and now it's a bit less. Okay, that's none of our business. What is our business is, of course, to analyze the price action, like I said in a couple of videos in the past. The price action and trading the pre-market can be very volatile, only for the experience, if any, of traders. What you see here with me is on the white background, the pre-market price action. This is in 1 minute bars. You can see that the move lower started already at 6, more than almost, when was it? 6:30, so an hour and only 45 minutes ago? Yeah, 6:30. 45 minutes ago it reported earnings. Okay, so we are seeing the chart here. The stock lost already 17%. I'm guessing, I mean, you don't have to be a genius to know that when a stock drops 17%, earnings are not as expected, and the movement in the pre-market can be very fast. In this case, losing 17% in an hour, not even an hour, 45 minutes of trading is a pretty steep move. Of course, this is not indicative of what can happen in the trading session. So those who are following earnings, PDD is a top candidate for day trading. Today will be a top candidate. We'll see the price action. It can easily move up, I don't want to say $3 or $5, which is in this case 3 to 5%, but I won't bank on more continuation to the downside. Anything is possible. Now, if you want to trade the pre-market, like I said before in previous videos, don't do it. But if you want to do it, you can use only limit order. So if you want to enter a position, right now you can see the bid and the ask. Hold on a second, guys. This is the bid and the ask, 16-cent spread. You have to press use a limit order to enter at 1952. You will get filled only 100 shares. So if you want to get executed more than 100 shares, you need to lower your limit to under 98.51, and even maybe lower to 98.30. And again, there can be and maybe will be price executions in between. Right now you can see the last order was executed 150 shares at 98.60. That's the benefit of also watching the time and sales. Now those who are trading from a desktop, no problem. Those who are trading on their mobile, this is becoming a bit tedious. I don't know how many of you can look at the chart on mobile. Also look at the execution platform, execution box or stock box, and watch also the executions on the time and sale. So that's something that is very independent to the way you're trading. Like I said, it's important to watch the spreads. Those tend to open up significantly during the pre-market session. The volumes right now already are more than 2 million shares. So this stock is easily going to cover, I think, 10 million shares today. It's going to be a super aggressive and a dogfight between those who think that at 98 or under 100 this is a good deal, versus those who will probably carry the stock lower. This is the daily chart. Hold on a second. This is the daily chart of PDD. It closed Friday at 119, trading right now at 99.50, so down 16.5%. Why do you see so many gap ups or gap downs in PDD? Because it trades in Hong Kong, I think, maybe in Singapore, not sure exactly where, but that's something that should not interfere with this amazing volatile trading day that's expecting the stock today. So those who are going to watch this video early on and those who are following earnings, PDD is definitely a top candidate for a big move, up or down. I'm not going to give any predictions because I really have no clue, and you know, PDD is a volatile specimen. Other than that, we are starting the trading week with a big gap up. Again, thanks to President Trump giving up on his 25 or 50% tariffs on European imports, and the reaction is very, very positive. Okay, guys, just wanted to pinpoint the pre-market trading. Again, PDD, great volume already in the pre-market, not really indicative of the way many stocks react in the pre-market. You can see 2,700,000 shares plus already traded at 7:22 a.m. Like I said, that's a preview of an action-packed trading day for PDD after 9:30, and maybe carrying it on today and maybe even tomorrow, the repercussions of this disappointing earnings report. Thanks a lot for being here with us. Again, please leave your comments and any questions to our email. Thanks a lot, and see you in our next educational video.